So typically US CPA is nothing but the how we have in India chartered accountancy. The US chartered accountants are known as US certified public accountants. So if you see that there are 4 sections of the CPA exam, so you would need to see that you need to write only 4 sections in order to pass this exam. There is no CPT or CA Foundation or IPCC or final as such. The US CPA exam, which is a US Chartered Accountancy exam, have only 4 sections. So auditing, financial accounting, reporting, regulation, and BEC. So audit is much more similar like to our Indian curriculum. And then we have financial accounting reporting, which is also much to do with the US accounting and the US GAAP and IFRS. Then regulation, which is dealing with the US taxation. And then BEC, we have the business finance and all sort of things. So the exam pattern is very easy, guys. So we have around 4 hours of exam, which the CP exam can be written across all the months. So typically the exam used to be held in Dubai and in US. And lately they have allowed this exam in India for June and September. And most probably they are opening up in December as well. But again, still it's a temporary phenomenon, though we are expecting that they might stretch it to next year as well. But for time being, the CP exam is held in Dubai and in US. Considered to be one of the top qualifications and one of the biggest, largest accounting body in the world, the exam is administered by AICPA, which is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Right? The eligibility is that you just need to be a BCom or a BCom plus CA inter. I think that's all would make you eligible for the US CPA program. Right? The cost of the course, if we talk about, the overall costing comes around 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees. So that is the costing for the CPA exam, right? And typically the roles which are offered, so if you're a US CPA, you can become a partner in the Big Four. Talking about the US based Big Fours or the GDS here in India. So if you see that Deloitte AERS, you have EY GDS, you have PwC GDC, right? KPMG KGS. So these are all the outsourcing based divisions of Big Fours which handles the US based work. So tremendous opportunities for US CPAs. There are a lot of job opportunities which comes up, and it's an excellent qualification even when you go abroad to US, Australia, Canada, Singapore, and also AICPA have MOU signed up with each and every accounting body, right? So it has a lot of its quality based driven, because it is one of the oldest organization as such, right? And there are a lot of opportunities in the Big Fours, US based MNCs. One reason why we see that a lot of the students are doing the USCP along with CA is that many US companies are coming to India. If you see that Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, Amazon, right? We have Standard Chartered, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley. So these are all a lot of US based companies. We saw PepsiCo opening up in Hyderabad. We had Diageo, GDS share division are coming. So a lot of these companies, the US based companies, they are offshoring their work to India, because as you see that US is mostly going into the recession because of COVID reasons and all. So we see that a lot of the US based accounting, the HR, the finance and all sort of work will come to India. And that's where the opportunities will increase in such qualifications, because they'll always be looking for a student with a US based qualification, right? So in that way, I think CPA is a very, very good qualification to have, right? So this is about CPA. So any questions, guys? So if you see there, there is a time frame that within 18 months, you will need to complete this exam once you pass the first paper. So suppose I have written financial accounting reporting. I passed financial accounting reporting in July month. So from July, you have 18 months of time to pass the other 3 exams. So overall duration is what we are taking up is 18 months. So within 18 months, you'll need to clear after you receive your first score result. This exam is completely online. It is 50% multiple choice questions and 50% simulation, which is case driven. As you see, guys, that most of the international exams are online, and that is why a lot of the CA students and the CA students and even the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, many of them are requesting ICI to make the exams online and conduct more of a multiple choice questions and sort of thing. So that is a pattern is what ICI also want to go up with. But right now we have in mostly in all the international exams, we have 50% multiple choice questions and 50% what simulation. So in the CPA exam, what you see is 50% multiple choice and 50% simulation. When we talk about simulation, it is like a comprehension or case law based questions. We see that in CA final also that we are getting a lot of case study questions. So our ICI is also trying to follow some of the Western based papers and all, right? So we see that in CPA, the exams are all online, the corrections are online, everything is digitally driven, right? And we are expecting that CA exams also later to go online, but right now CPA exam is completely online. So you need to write it in a Prometric center. Right now in India, it is being conducted in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and all in June and September. So you can go to that physical center and write the exam.